WhatsApp adds a new avatar sticker category called Together. It automatically creates unique stickers by combining your personal avatar with the avatar of the person you're chatting with. Similar to Snapchat Bitmoji, which displays both you and your friend in the same sticker. These stickers don't appear randomly. They will only be visible if both participants have created their own avatar and have enabled the necessary avatar privacy settings. Without this setup on both sides, the Together sticker category won't appear in the chat. To enable this feature, both users need to create avatar and grant permission to each other. Here's how to do it. Go to the settings, then click on Privacy, scroll down, and you will see Avatar Stickers option. Then, you can choose who is allowed to combine their avatar with yours. The available options include My Contacts, Selected Contacts, and Nobody, giving you full control over how and with whom your avatar can be used.